what is the probability that the string will not contain three consecutive a's? So instead of finding the probability that the string will not have three consecutive a's, I decided to find the probability that it will, and then you just subtract that from 1 to get the final answer. And so since there's 6 letters and 3 possible choices for each letter, there are 3 to 6 possible ways to arrange the string. And in the string, we don't really care about the a's. I don't care if a thing is a b or a c. I would just consider that as not a. So in this solution, I'm just going to write them as x's for simplicity. And then you just multiply by the appropriate power of 2 to replace the x's with the possible combinations of b's and c's. And so for there to be at least 3 consecutive a's in the string, you know that there has to be at least 3 a's in the first place. So I'm just going to look at the cases of there are 3, there are 4, there are 5, and there are 6 a's respectively. So
I checked all the casework. Looks like everything's good, and you do get the correct answer. I guess my only criticism of this solution is that it's very easy to make a mistake, and you'll be completely screwed if they asked you for something higher. If they said instead of the number of 6 length strings with no 3 consecutive a's, they might have said something like the number of 10 or 12 length strings and then take the answer mod 11 and prove so that you can't just guess, of course, a random digit 0 to 10. So I think a more general approach would be just to let f of n be the number of n length strings with no 3 consecutive a's and derive a recursion. Should be able to get the recursion f of n plus 1 is equal to 6 f of n minus 1 plus 6 f of n minus 2 plus 4 f of n minus 3. F of 0 equals 1, f of 1 equals 3, f of 2 equals 9, and then just generate everything else.